Hi everyone, this is my first demo video. Today we'll discuss about the AWS and AWS services and how to create the EC2 instance. Okay, first go to my AWS account. We need to sign in as a root user. Okay, then the password, then sign in. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. AWS provides many resources like compute, storage, database, many things. Okay, today we'll see how to create the Amazon EC2 instance. Okay, here we'll search EC2. EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. That is the virtual server in the cloud. Okay, click on EC2. Then click on instances. Look, we don't have any instances right now. Okay, today we'll create the instance, first instance. That is nothing else virtual server. First click on launch instances, name and tag. Suppose I will give my name as server, my server. Then we'll select the AMI. AMI stands for Amazon Machine Image that provides the operating system configuration application about the operating system. We have many AMI like Amazon Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat. Okay, today we'll select Amazon Linux 2023 AMI. Okay, that is free tier eligible. That is, we don't need to pay much money. Okay, then the instance type is T2 micro. That is free tier eligible. That means it provides one CPU and 1 GB memory. Then key pair. Key pair is the login credential. It is securely connect to your instance. It contains our private and public key. Okay. Today we will create a new key pair. Click on create new key pair. Enter the name. Here I have given Linux key pair. Then that is the PEM file. Okay. Then click on create key pair. We created the key pair. Then we will change the network setting and click on edit. VPC. VPC means virtual private cloud. We will give the default VPC. Then the subnet, we will select the subnet first. I am giving the subnet as US East 1A. Okay. Here my region is North Virginia, which provides many availability zone. I provide the US East 1A here. Then we will assign the public IP as enable. Okay, we will click on enable. Firewall and security group. Security group means that provides the firewall to the instances, which controls the traffic which is coming and going to our instances. That is called security group. We'll create the security group. Here I am giving the security name as Linux security group. Okay. Then we will give the inbound security group as SSH. Okay. Then 8 GB is sufficient for this instance. Okay, here number of instances is 1. Here is the preview summary of the EC2 instance. First, we created the AMI as Amazon Linux, T2 micro as the instance type, new security group, that is we created the Linux security group, the volume is 8 GB. Okay, then click on launch instance. Look, here we successfully created our first instance. Okay, click on that instance ID. Here it's showing in the pending state. After a few minutes, it will show the running state. Okay, we have to wait for few minutes, and the status check will change to 2 by 2 status check. Okay, let's refresh the instance. Look, it's showing running. Initially, it's showing nothing in the status check. It's showing initializing. Okay, let's refresh again. It's showing initializing. We need to wait for a couple of minutes. At the same time, we'll see how many services provided by AWS. AWS provides many services like compute, container, that is nothing as Kubernetes, Docker, database like RDS, DynamoDB, many things. Here, click on all services. Look, AWS provides more than 200 services. There are many cloud service provider in the market right now, but AWS is like provides many services. We can say is number one in the market right now. Okay, let's check our instance. It's showing initializing. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, let's check again. Click here and refresh the server. It's showing initializing. Let's wait for the couple of minutes. Here in the detail section, we will see the summary of the instance. The public IP address is here, and the private IPv4 address. The DNS instance state is running here. The VPC, we have chosen the default VPC. Yes, AMI ID, nothing as the operating system ID, that is Amazon Linux. Yes, you can see here platform is Linux. Many summary about the EC2 instances. Here in the security, we have provided the security, that is TCP protocol. In the networking section, we have public IPv4 address, private IPv4 address, VPC ID, subnet ID. Look here, we have chosen the US East 1A. At the time of creation of the EC2 instance, we have given this one. North Virginia provides many availability zone. We have chosen one, that is US East 1A. Then in the storage section, we have given 8 GB volume size, that is showing here. Monitoring, you can see how much CPU is utilized. The network section, you can see the utilization of our EC2 instances. And here is the status and alarm. Here there are two different types of status check. First one is system status check. Second one is instance status check. Both are in the initializing state. So we need to wait for some couple of time. We can set the alarm, metrics. Okay. Here we will refresh again. Look, it's showing 2 by 2 status check. First one is system status check is passed. Then second one is instance status check, that is also passed. We are now good to go to launch the EC2 instance. It's already created. Now we will log into it. Okay. Here is the public IP4 address. Copy the public IP4 address. We will log in via PuTTY. Okay. We have PuTTY and PuTTY to log in that EC2 server. Okay. First we will go to PuTTY, click on load, and we need to provide that key pair. That is here in the all files. Look, here we created the Linux key pair. It's showing here. We need to select that one and open that file. Successfully imported that key pair. We need to save the private key. Click on save private key. Yes, we want to save this key. Here we'll say Linux key. Save. Now we successfully saved the private key. Now log into PuTTY. We need to provide the IP4 address. Now go back to the EC2 instance. Click on the server. Then in the detail section, we have the public IP4 address here. We need to copy the public IP4 address. Then go to the PuTTY and paste the IP4 address here. Then we need to provide the private key pair inside the SSH. Okay, click on here SSH, expand the SSH inside the auth, inside the credential. We need to provide the private key file authentication. Click on here, go to downloads. Here we have the private key. We need to select that one and open the file. Yes, now we successfully given the private key inside the PuTTY server. Now we need to click on open. Yes, PuTTY security alert. It is showing to accept it or cancel it. Okay, we will accept the server. Accept it. Look, here it is given login is what? We need to go to the server, click on server, then click on connect. Look, our username is EC2 user. We need to provide that one inside the PuTTY server. That is nothing else EC2 user. We are the EC2 user, right? We have created successfully the EC2 instance. That's why its name is EC2 user. Okay, we can log in as EC2 instance connect. We can connect here by clicking on a connect. Or we are connecting to PuTTY. Okay, so go back to the PuTTY server. Login as EC2 hyphen user. Enter. Yes, authenticating. Yes. Here it's our EC2 server. That is nothing as Amazon Linux 2023 AMI. Yes, we have successfully logged in the first EC2 instance. Okay, now go to the terminal and click on change setting, color, use the system color. Okay, and the background, default background. Yes, apply. Yes, okay, we have successfully created the server. Okay, that is as EC2 user. Okay, here this is the IP address of our EC2 instance. Okay, now that's end with 123. Okay, let's check here inside our inside the dashboard. Go to the instances. Here, this is the private IP for address that is ends with 123. Okay, now we log in as the EC2 user. We have successfully logged in. Then type sudo su. That means super user do switch user. Now it's changed to root. Root means the admin. That is the root means the admin access. That means we can do anything. Suppose here we want to install the Apache server. Okay, that is we can type here yum install httpd hyphen y. That means yes. No need to type yes manually. That's why we have given here hyphen y. Okay, then type enter. Look, it's now installing the Apache server. Okay, look at here. It is showing it is successfully completed. Yes, it's installed everything. HTTPD. Yes, it's verified already. Yes, you can see July 24 and the timestamp according to the AWS server. That is nothing as metadata. Everything about the data, that is metadata, which is given here. Then we'll check the our Apache server is running or not. Okay, that is the status. We will check the status of the Apache server. So the command is service httpd status. Okay, let's enter. Look at here. It's showing inactive. That is dead. It's not activated yet. We need to activate it first. Then launch the server. So we need to first activate the Apache server. Okay. To activate the Apache server, the command is service httpd stat. Okay. Let's see. Enter. And to start the Apache server, you need service. Okay. We have given the wrong command. That is triple T. No. We need to provide the correct command. Service httpd stat. Okay, let's see again. Enter. Now it started here. Okay. To see it's like started or not, that is it active or inactive, we need to first check the status. Okay. To check the status, we have given the command already here. Status service httpd status. Okay. Okay. Enter. Let's say enter again. Service httpd status. Yes. Here we can see it's active. It's showing active or running state. That means our server is running. Okay. To check our server is running or not, we first will go to our EC2 instance and copy the public IPv4 address. Okay. Then check it on the browser. Okay. Let's paste our IPv4 address. Click on enter. Okay, let's wait for a couple of minutes. No, it is not responding. It's showing this site can't be reached. Okay, this is it's showing because of we have not set up the security group. Then first we have to go to our EC2 instance. Then click on security here, which is our the security group we have created. That is Linux security group. Click on security group here. There is only one inbound role, that is SSH TCP. The port range is 22. Now we need to edit the inbound role. Click on edit inbound role, then add role. We need to provide the HTTP. Yes, that we will change the source, that is anywhere IP for. Okay, then click on add role. We will provide HTTPS also. Okay, now we will change the source, that is anywhere IPv4. Okay, that means anyone can access. Okay, then we already set up the inbound rule. Then click on save rules. Look, inbound security group rules successfully modified on security group. This one, we have successfully modified the inbound rule. Look at here. First it was TCP. Now we created the HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, so then go back to that IP address. Let's check again. Let's refresh it. Look at here, it works. That means now we are getting the output. Okay, it's successfully running. Now we will install the Java server. Okay, to install the Java. Okay, let's search here. Install Java in Linux, Linux server. How to install Java on Linux? Okay, let's click here. Mm, Okay, let's check another website. Okay, let's check sudo apt install java -y. Okay, let's enter. No command not found. To the install java to the install java share -y. No command not found. Okay, let's search again. Sudo apt install default -jre. Okay, let's see. Command not found. Okay, let's start again. Sudo dnf install java latest open jpg. Okay, let's start again. Unable to check. Okay, so let's check on ChatGPT. How to install Java on Linux server on my sudo apt update. That means we update. Yes, yes. This one. Sudo apt install openjdk. Okay. First we will update the server. Sudo apt update. It will update the server. Okay, apt update. Sorry, yom update. I guess. Yes. Okay, here we are using the Linux server. We need to provide the yom. We are not using Ubuntu server. Okay, so type yom install. What is that command? Yom install openjdk hyphen 11 openjdk hyphen 11 hyphen jdk. Okay, okay. Let's see how it goes. No match found on November to. Okay, sudo yum install open jdk hyphen 11 hyphen jdk. Okay, it's not showing. Command not found. Okay, let's see what is inside our server. Click on ls. We have not, there is nothing inside the server. Okay, let's create a directory mkdir Ajay. Okay, we have let's see it's created or not. Type ls. Yes, that is we created the directory, that is ls. Okay, okay, we have successfully launched the server. We have installed the Apache server, and we successfully updated our server and created our directory. Okay, but we have not installed the Java, sorry for that. And let's go to our server, EC2 instance, click on instances. Okay, that is our server name is my server, it's running, and we successfully created the our first EC2 instance. Okay, let's go to instance state. We need to either stop the instance or terminate the instance after using the server, because or else it will cost you the money. So we don't need to pay for that. After creating and launching the server, then we need to stop our instance. That is terminate or stop the instance. Now we will terminate the instance. Click on terminate. Yes, it's successfully terminated. Okay, look at here. It's showing remote side unexpectedly closed network connection because we have terminated the instance. It's not activated now. It's deactivated. Okay, let's close the server PuTTY and let's refresh again. Look, it's showing shutting down state. That means we are not able to use that server again. Okay, that is successfully shut down. Okay, that's all for the this instance. Okay, let's connect again. This is my first demo video. Yes, I'm not that experienced to present the content. Okay, this is my first time that I am giving a content. Okay, so I will prepare again and again and upload video on YouTube. Okay, thank you everyone. Okay.